Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope all are celebrated Onam very well. Okay. Then, today we are entering into a new session of our GK. Here, explaining some unusual inventions. What is unusual inventions? Usual means usually. സാധാരണ. Unusual means അസാധാരണമായ inventions. Unusual inventions. Here are some unusual inventions for you to read about. The firstly I am reading the passage. You listen carefully. Okay. Thumb wrestling ring was devised by Richard B. Hartman in 1991. This apparatus was designed to play a game of thumb wrestling. The game's ring surface includes holes through which the thumb of opponents are inserted upwardly in order to fight with each other. Here in the picture you can see a device. That device is used for thumb wrestling. Through this device, playing with thumb, and those who are the winner will make the thumb of opponent downwards. Means the winner is inserted the thumb upwardly in order to fight with each other. Okay. Then the next is John Box invented this hair cutting machine in 1951. It was also patented in the same year. It was a very unusual experiment because rather than cutting hair, it shortened them with heat. This invention did not get widespread popularity because it posed serious risks of burns and electric shocks. The next is saying about a hair cutting machine. Okay. John Box invented this hair cutting machine in the year 1951. How is cutting hair through this machine? Here it was a very unusual experiment because rather than cutting hair, it shortened them with heat. Okay. With the heat, the hair is shortened. This invention did not get widespread popularity because it posed serious risks. That machine did not get much popularity. Why? Because that device is serious risks of burns. Means it is harmful to us, no? Or that way that will cause electric shocks, etc. That is why this machine is not widely spread, or it did not get any popularity. Okay. Then the next is scream muffler. Was a very crazy invention as it was invented as a device which can be placed over the mouth and into which a person may yell or scream or shout without disturbing his or her neighbors. Moira J. and Frank M. Figon patented this foam inserted muffler in 1989. Here is saying about a crazy invention. That is the device which is used to shout without disturbing others. That is useful to you, no? Because you all are making noise in the class. So if you use a scream muffler, that may cause silence. Isn't it? Okay. You got the idea of that device? That is used to shout without making much noise. That is keeping with our mouth, and through that device we are making much noise. So it will not affect others. And the next is saying about a particular term, patent. What is a patent? A patent is granted by a government to an inventor. It gives exclusive right to the inventor to make, use or sell an invention for a specified term of 20 years. In the USA, this term is for 14 years only. It stops others from making, using or selling the invention without the inventor's permission. What's the meaning of patent? A patent, it's a right that is granted by the government to an inventor, isn't it? If a person gets patent, then that person, it stops others from making, using or selling the invention without the inventor's permission. That means ഒരാൾ കണ്ടുപിടിച്ച കാര്യം അയാളുടെ പെർമിഷൻ ഇല്ലാതെ മറ്റൊരാൾക്ക് യൂസ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റില്ല. അങ്ങനെ യൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്നതിൽ നിന്ന് തടയുന്നതിനെയാണ് പാറ്റൻറ്റ് എന്ന് മീൻ ചെയ്യുന്നത്. ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് ഇൻ ഇന്ത്യ ഫോർ 20 years. ഓക്കെ. Next is very interesting. Okay, that is safety coffin. Is also known as security coffin. This coffin is fitted with a mechanism to prevent premature burial or to save someone who has been buried alive. This unusual experiment allows the occupant to signal by means of a bell. It also helps the occupant to escape from his or her grave via ladder. Frank Wester received a patent for this device in 1868. So this is an interesting or എന്താണ് coffin means what? നാരോ ബോക്സ്, അതായത് നമ്മൾ ഡെഡ് ബോഡിയൊക്കെ വെക്കാൻ വേണ്ടി യൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്ന ബോക്സ്. ഓക്കെ, ശവപ്പെട്ടി. ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് coffin. ഓക്കെ, ദ coffin ഫിറ്റഡ് വിത്ത് എ മെക്കാനിസം. അതായത് നമ്മളിപ്പോൾ ചില വ്യക്തികളുടെ കാര്യമൊക്കെ പറയുന്ന കേൾക്കാം, മരിക്കാതെ തന്നെ അവർ മരിച്ചെന്ന് വിചാരിച്ച് കൊണ്ട് അടക്കം ചെയ്യാൻ നോക്കുമ്പോൾ പെട്ടെന്ന് പിന്നെ കാലനങ്ങിയെന്നോ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ മിഴി അനങ്ങിയെന്നോ ഇങ്ങനെയൊക്കെ പറയുന്ന കേൾക്കാം. സോ അതേപോലെ എങ്ങനെ ഇൻ കേസ് അങ്ങനെ സംഭവിക്കുകയാണെങ്കിൽ ടു എസ്കേപ്പ് ഫ്രം ദാറ്റ് ഗ്രേവ് ദിസ് ടൈപ്പ് ഓഫ് സേഫ്റ്റി കഫിൻ ഈസ് യൂസ്ഡ്. ഓക്കെ, അതായത് ഇതിനകത്ത് എന്താണെന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ ലിസൺ ദ പിക്ചർ ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് ഗിവൺ ഹിയർ. The rope of the bell is kept with that person's hand. So if that person alive, if he moves his hand, that bell will ring, and through that he can escape. Okay, that is the use of safety coffin. It also helps the occupant to escape from his or her grave via ladder. Frank Wester received a patent for this device in 1868. And the next is dog scuba driving apparatus was invented by Don L. Folsom in 2001. Though it was designed for a performing dog called Shadow, it could be adapted for use by any other animal. Yes. Listen the picture. എന്താണ് അതിനകത്ത് കാണുന്നത്? ഡൈവിങ്ങിന് പോവാണല്ലേ? യെസ്. That dog used a spectacle. That is the diving apparatus. Means machine. Isn't it? Okay. That was invented by Dwayne L. Folsom in 2001. That is designed for a performing dog called Shadow. Shadow named doginu vendi design cheyidana. Then it could be adapted for use by any other animal. Okay. Yes. These are the interesting aspects explained in this lesson. So all of you read and understand what is saying here. If you have any doubt, you ask. And here 5 questions are given. Try to answer the questions. First one, in which among the following years was an apparatus designed to play thumb wrestling invented? In which year the apparatus thumb wrestling invented or designed? 1991. So 1991 is the answer. Then second, what among the following prohibits people from making, using or selling the invention without the inventor's permission? What among the following prohibits? Patent. Okay, patent. And the other answers you try to find out and write it with your notebook. Okay, thank you.